Class 3, Lesson 5 MS Fair Treatment. We all like to be treated well by others. We want others to respect, to love, and to be friendly towards us. We would like them to say good things about us. We don't like others to blame or criticize us. If they do, we feel offended, sad, and angry. We often forget that others have the same feelings as we have. We often forget about their feelings. This makes us very selfish. It is fair to treat others well if we expect them to treat us the same way. We must do to others what we expect them to do to us. Let us start a story on it. John and his classmates went on a picnic to the countryside with their class teacher. They ran about and played a lot. When tired, they sat down beneath a tree near a well. John looked into the well and was frightened by its depth. In his fright, he called out to his friend Naresh. Immediately he heard a voice shouting out, "Naresh!" He felt that the voice was from the well. In fear and anger, he shouted, "Idiot!" And the same voice repeated, "Idiot!" John called all his friends, saying that there was someone hiding in the well. They gathered around to hear his story and looked into the well, but found nobody. John then called into the well, "You fool, come out here." They all heard the voice repeating the same. Together they shouted, "Donkey!" And the voice replied, "Donkey!" They yelled, "You coward!" And the voice repeated it. John threatened, "This time, I will kill you." The voice shot back, "I will kill you." The children were surprised and angry. They ran to tell the teacher about it. On hearing their story, she understood what it was. Taking them to the well, she bade them to be quiet. Then, looking into the well, she said, "Hello." They heard a sweet hello from the well. "You are an angel," she added. The voice echoed the same. Finally, she said, "I love you." Soft came the reply, "I love you." The children were anxiously listening. Then the teacher explained that it was the echo. She told them that echoes repeat whatever is said. Our deeds are like an echo. We get back what we give. If we treat others well, they will treat us well. If you do good, good will be done to us. We must treat others as we want others to treat us. Here is the exercise of lesson 5. A. Answer the following questions. First one. How do you want to be treated by others? Answer. We all like to be treated well by others. Second. How do you feel when others criticize you? We feel offended, sad, and angry. Third. What should you do to be liked by others? We must treat others as we want others to treat us. B. Fill in the blanks. First, we all like to be dash well by others. We all like to be treated well by others. Second, it is fair to treat dash well. It is fair to treat them well. Third, dash repeat whatever is said. Echoes repeat whatever is said. Thank you.